I was talking about the whales that you've seen this morning in assembly. One of the boys said, "Are they real?" Of course, I had to explain that whales generally need water to survive, but they do seem real to us and vivid in the nave of Winchester Cathedral. Reminds us that there are living creatures of profound beauty and splendour living in the depths, which we hardly ever get the chance to appreciate. There are lots of ways in which we've built on this magnificent spectacle in the programme we have at the cathedral, and there's still more things to come over the half-term period. We've got Ocean Commotion, which is a tour around the cathedral, finding characters and addressing challenges that they give all our visitors. We've got a virtual Antarctic experience, Antarctic exploration by virtual reality for older people, and then we've got an inflatable whale coming in, and we've got a circus show with puppets for the younger ones. All these are ways in which we can appreciate the beauty of the depths and remember that the hand of the Almighty Creator is upon the depths and the heights and the place where we usually live at ground level. I hope you'll take every opportunity to explore these fascinating creatures yourself and with your children.